You will see now all the cars in this sunny day. Everybody has brought their own lovely car over here. So we are going to check them out. Okay? Please just bear with me and check the cars out. Maybe some of these cars are also in your own town or in your own country. Okay? We will be checking most of the cars. I believe you can remember some of these cars. Look at this Mercedes. This is the famous Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This is probably manufactured at the end of 1980. It means it's almost 40 years old, still going strong. This is BMW Coupe. Looks like new. This car is more than 35 years old. Okay. Here we go. Opel. Look at the engine. Looks like brand new. 4-cylinder engine.
Das macht's ja eigentlich aus, wenn man das alles selber macht.
Remember this Volkswagen Golf? I believe it's Golf 2. It also looks very beautiful. This is Fiat from Italy. Okay. This car has been manufactured 1965. Just calculate 1965 to now. This car is more than 50 years old. So when we offer you cars which are old, it doesn't mean they are bad. It means they have been manufactured a long time ago, but still going strong. Okay? Here is another Fiat. This tiny car still working. Okay. This is Unimog. It's made by Mercedes. And do you remember this Volkswagen van? It's called VW. Maybe you have it in your country. These are now highly desired cars. This is Renault 16. This is all Mercedes. Like I said, the cars are kept in a very immaculate condition to last. No rust, no dent, no scratch, nothing on these cars. Okay, they are very beautiful cars. The owners are sitting and watching that people are looking at the cars. So if you have a car older than 30 years old, you are allowed to bring it here. Look at this Chevrolet, an American car. It's also here. So this is how it is. This is how it is. You probably remember this beautiful car. It's Chevrolet, a huge luxury limousine, an American car. So it crossed the Atlantic to land in Europe, then in Germany. Here we go. So I have a lot of passion for older cars. That's why I come here every year. I believe I have shown you also my other collections. Again, my name is Giza from Giza Auto Export Service in Frankfurt, Germany. Okay. Look at this. You probably remember some of these cars. Maybe you have owned them, or maybe your friend or your relatives have owned them in the past. Look at this heavy American car. Yes, this car is now very expensive to buy. Yeah. Do you know Opel Record? This is Opel Record. Opel is actually manufactured in my neighborhood. They are still running strong. Originally a German company, then sold to General Electric. Now it's sold to a French company. So this is how it is. This is Porsche. Volkswagen Beetle. They open the hood to show how clean the engine is. Okay. The colors are really clean, being kept in the garage for so many years. They disconnect the battery and they run them once in a while. Okay? Even bicycles are here, all the bicycles. They are also means of transportation, so they are here. So a man has brought all the parts for bicycles, for all the bicycles. You see? This is how it is. So in every town in Germany, they have a car show for all cars. This is an American Army car. It's a pickup, as you see it here. Humvee. This is a Humvee. This is an American Army car, US Army car. Okay. It's a small tractor from southern Germany. There we go. Okay. VW Beetle. I really love this car. I used to have it about 40 years ago. I used to drive it. It's a 1.3 liter 4-cylinder engine. I don't even know this car. I don't know what it is. Okay, let me see what it is.
Aber der hat auch ohne den Spoiler, ja gut, das andere war glaube ich ein Adlinger da, aber noch nicht eine Schornsteinbogen.
Yes. This car, they stopped manufacturing many years ago, but this car is still running strong.
Kotflügel da reingemacht.
Okay.
Zwei Eltern, das machen, wie die das gemacht haben, das sind hier beim Fahren.
This is Citroën, a French car. Look at it.
20 Minuten später.
This is about 70 years old car.
Sven heißt der. Genau, das ist ja genau.
It looks like a brand new car.
Den wollte ich ja gestern noch fragen, den habe ich zweimal gesehen.
Genau, der war gestern mit dem Motorrad da.
Achso, okay.
Okay. Yes, Citroën. Opel Kadett Coupe. If you are enthusiastic about such kind of cars and you want to visit them and come over here, please contact me. We can arrange a program for you. Okay? I have not finished yet. I have just to go and take a rest because there are so many different kinds of cars here. Even motor bicycles are also represented, like you see here. Yes.